When translating an image, part of the design may sometimes be wrongly detected and removed. VP Online AI Image Translator provides a helpful tool to restore the design when this happens. Press Translate now to open the image translator. A series of demos are available below for testing different features. In this example, we go to Technical Diagram and select Entity Relationship Diagram Example, Simple Order System. Then, choose the target language and press Process to start translating. Let us begin with some basic customization. Click Select All button, and then unify the text font and size. In this example, all text is aligned to the left, so we need to manually center align the names of the diagram blocks. Next, align the text blocks to tidy up the layout and reposition them for better spacing. Sometimes, parts of the original design, such as borders here, may be mistakenly removed. To fix that, we can use the Rub to Reveal feature to bring back the original design. Select the tool from the top toolbar and adjust the stroke size. Then, rub over the border area to reveal it and press Confirm to apply the changes. After that, we can adjust individual text styles to match the original design. Since the translated text blocks are separate and editable, we can select specific ones to make them bold or italic. With the high flexibility of the editable translated text, we can make the final image closely follow the design of the original version. When finished, press the Export Image button at the top right and download it to your device.